In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage on Microsoft Outlook 365, a quick and easy solution if you've discovered your mailbox is full. Having a congested inbox not only makes it challenging to find important emails, but it can also impact the performance of the application, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. So, let's jump right into the steps to declutter your Outlook mailbox. First, you'll need to log in to your Outlook account. This ensures that you have access to your personalized settings and storage information. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the gear icon, commonly known as the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. Now, with the Settings menu open, navigate to the section labeled Account and click on Storage. This is where you'll be able to see how much space you have used and how much is remaining. It's a great way to get an overview of your mailbox usage and understand why you might need to clear up some space. Next, to free up some Microsoft storage, click on the Free Up Space option. Follow the instructions or prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the process of cleaning up unnecessary files and data in your account. It's straightforward and doesn't require additional tools or software. Now, turning our attention specifically to email storage, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Storage section. This is a specific part of the settings where you can take direct actions to manage the space occupied by your emails. Here, you can decide which items you want to keep and which ones can be deleted. Once you're in the Manage Storage section, select the folder from which you'd like to remove emails. Common folders people choose are deleted items or junk mail, as these tend to accumulate unnecessary data. After you've selected the desired folder, look to the right-hand side of your screen and click Empty. This will remove all emails from the folder, so be sure you no longer need them. For a more targeted approach, you can choose to delete emails older than a specific time frame. You have options such as all emails or just those that are 3, 6, or 12 months and older. This focused method allows you to retain more recent communications while clearing out the older ones that are no longer relevant. After making your selections, click OK to confirm. With this final step, your mailbox will receive an instant refresh, providing you with more space and potentially improving the performance of your Outlook application. And there you go. A quick and straightforward way to free up space on Microsoft Outlook 365. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you follow these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining a clutter-free and efficient email workspace.